Hello everyone, welcome to Web Cruiser ICT Frequently Asked Question, how stuff works. I'm going to be showing you how to use an email extractor to extract mails from websites. It's actually called a bulk email extractor. What are you going to do? So I'm going to write out the steps in using this software. First step. The first step is to what? To run the software. You actually run or open the software. Open the software. That's the first step. Don't forget, first step. Now the second step, we're going to do the second step. First step, don't forget. Second step, after you've run or opened the software, you're going to click a series of next until it says finish. Click series of next. Click series. Click series of next. Click series of next. Okay, so that's it until it says finish installation. Okay, so the third step, after you do that, go to your startup menu and look for the software. First step, open the software. That's the first step. So the fifth step is simply copy and paste any website URL, that is website address, onto the software. Yeah, so that is it. So you copy and paste any software URL into the software. For example, let's do www.facebook.com. Alright, website scope. So we're going to start that. So basically, that is how to use this email extractor software. As you can see, it's working. It's extracting emails. It's going to extract all the emails on that website, and you can have them for use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll click the notification bell thing.